When it comes to optimizing SQLAlchemy ORM performance, both Claude and ChatGPT offer useful advice, but their approaches differ. For example, on the topic of N+1 query problems, ChatGPT tends to provide a broad overview of eager loading with joined load and subquery load, while Claude often drills into specific scenarios like when to use select and load for collections. Claude also frequently includes practical code snippets with real table schemas, whereas ChatGPT may lean toward more conceptual explanations. In testing with a common task, profiling slow queries, Claude suggested using SQLAlchemy's built-in event listeners to log query times, while ChatGPT recommended third-party tools like Flask SQLAlchemy or Django Debug Toolbar. Both models correctly identified the importance of indexing and batch loading, but Claude's responses felt more tailored to the SQLAlchemy internals. The takeaway: for deep SQLAlchemy tuning, Claude's detail-oriented style may save time, while ChatGPT's broader context is better for beginners learning ORM patterns.